Out at a new lake for the first time. First fish of the day, little dinker. Hopefully we get some big ones. But since I figured this lake would be a bit stained, so I used 8-pound big game. A little more tough. Can bully the fish out a little bit more if I need to with this line. I mean, I lifted a almost 4-pounder up log boom with this at 313. There's a fish! Little dink.
It felt big, huh?
It did.
They fight pretty hard in here.
Yeah, they do. Second dink of the day. Much smaller than the other one. Got him! Oh no, he got off! Come on, man, what is going on? That might have been the fish that bit yours. He had it, man. He started swimming sideways with it and he got off. But what messed up is when I set the hook on him, the half of my bait hit the tip of my rod, so the hook didn't get in all the way. Got him that time. Good one. Nicer one. So that's at least a pound. Maybe a pound and a quarter, pound and a half. Oh, this guy has some teeth. He's jacking my hands up. Okay, stop. Dude, the fish in here are feisty. Holy crap.
Yes, they are.
That's maybe a pounder. Nice large mouse on a wacky rig. See a fish. Another dink. Gotta find the big ones. Oh, did you get him?
Yep.
The big one? Oh, dude, that's a nice fish.
Yeah, he's alright. He's a little guy.
Still the biggest of the day. Look how fat that thing is, dude.
Hungry.
Yeah, he was. Look how fat that thing
They
is.
got some teeth.
Yeah, dude, that's what I was saying. The fish here got some teeth. They jacked my fingers up. Alright, another dink on a wacky rig. Let's let her go.
Fish on.
Jig?
Yep.
Oh, nice, dude. I gotta tie a jig on and flip these docks. That's the biggest of the day?
It might be.
Nice fish, bro.
About the same, I think.
Yeah. I think our biggest of the day is probably what, like 1.5 or so? So far. Yeah, let's get a 1.5. Nice chunky fish. Pounder. Between pound and pound and a half. Chunky. Black and blue jig.
Yeah, right through the top of the lip. Oh, yeah.
Is that a bass?
All those fry right there. Cast your drop shot in there. Bet you anything you get a bite.
Is that a bunch of fry right there?
Yep. It was, and a bass was busting on him. Yep. See?
Little dink was eating them.
Damn. They're everywhere.
Come on, hurry up. Might just post a dink video. Dink.
Dink City. See all the fry busts out there?
Where?
Right there on the edge of the dock.
On the edge of the dock?
I bet you catch something out there.
Sure did.
Told you.
Little dink.
What the hell is wrong with this thing?
Another dinker. I can't catch nice fish today, man. Oh, they're all busting on fry though. You find the fry, you find the fish.